All right, today I'm going to show you how to use a Bosch Axxis washing machine. Now this is a Bosch Axxis washing machine. It's front loading right here. You can see the drum down here. I'm just going to open it up and look inside, and you can see that is the drum where the clothes go. Now, if you are going to be washing, could you please give me a thumbs up if you find this video helpful in any way? But I'm going to go over the controls for you in a second. Right here we have the off. Okay, that's the original setting right here, off, and then I switch it over to cotton normal. That's probably going to be the one you use the most. And then there's a sanitary, which it washes at a very high temperature. You have the quick wash, which is done in 30 minutes. The delicate wash. You also have the jeans, very popular for those of you who have jeans. And as you know, it changes the time of how long it's going to wash. You have Activewear, so if you have clothes that you work out with. If you just want to rinse your clothes, there is a rinse option right there. And then there's also a spin and drain option. I use that quite often when it gets rainy outside. My clothes get wet and I just want to spin and drain it. And then there is other settings as well. You have right here, you have the maintenance wash. You have the woolens and hand wash. That is for extra delicate kind of clothes. You have the anti-shrink that will prevent your clothes from getting shrunk in the washing machine. You have a wash for towels. You have for the whitest of whites, that is a setting for white clothes. Heavy duty for heavy duty wash. And then you also have the permanent press, which I don't think anybody, including myself, knows what permanent press is. But I'm going to go ahead and set it over to cotton wash. And before you wash your clothes, if you have a pod, you want to throw it in the drum. But if you have liquid or powder detergent, there are compartments for you to put your liquid or powder detergent in, right? So if you have a pod, throw it in there. And there's also if you have a pod, throw it directly in the drum. Do not put your pod inside of here. There's a slot for fabric softener. Now, when you need to wash, you just simply press this button right here and pull it out. And then when you're done, push it back in and you are ready to rock and roll. So again, like I said, you put your dishwasher pod, or not your dishwasher, your washing machine pod inside of there, if you have that, and then put your clothes in, and then you start making selection. You have a temperature selection, which goes from extra hot, hot, warm, and cold. You have a spin speed. You have high, medium. You also have low right here, and then you also have the option for no speed. Okay. And then there's a delay start. Now I use this feature if I'm not ready to wash my clothes right away. I'll go ahead and load in the detergent and clothes, and then I'll set this to go off within a certain amount of time. So you'll set it for when the wash ends right there for the delay. There's an easy iron setting right here that you can press, and it's an easy iron setting, prevents wrinkles or whatever. And then you also have a selection for extra rinse if you want your clothes to be extra rinse. And then there is also a pre-wash, pre-treat option that you use for it. So I use it for heavily soiled. And when you set it all those, you go ahead and press start. And if you want to pause, you press that again and it will pause the wash. Now down here, I just wanted to show you this really quick. This is at the bottom. This is a filter right here. Now this right here, it tends to catch coins for me, as well as lint and possibly some hair. Now I'm not going to go ahead and open this up, but I just want to show you where it's at down there. It's pretty much self-explanatory. So this is the Bosch Axxis washing machine. Give me a thumbs up if you find this helpful, and please read your user manual before operating this washing machine. Thanks a lot.